and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video. You guys, I know, like, this is like the third video I've done in sequins. Y'all, diamonds make me think sequins. I don't know why, but I have a haul for you guys today. I mean, well, a haul, it's one item. I have some jewelry to bring to you guys today, and I'm really excited because I just filmed another video for you guys recently with some jewelry, and some of the pieces I'm wearing right now, they are absolutely amazing. You know, guys, I'll have it linked below, I mean above for you, and below, I guess, if you're interested. But today we have some pieces, some new pieces from a new company, and I'm excited. So Louily, I think that's how you say it. If I'm butchering it, I apologize, but thank you so much to Louily for sending us our piece for today. Look at this cute little bag. Of course it came in a box, but I took it out the box and put it in this cute bag because it's cute, right? So I have a piece for y'all, and I'm really excited about this piece because I think it will go so well with all of my other pieces that I have, and I'm here for that, right? So let's get into this, okay? So in your box you get this little bag, of course, and then your piece of jewelry is in here, and then you get pretty much the standard that you get with everything else. You get a cleaning cloth. Here's the cleaning cloth that you get here, and it just says this polishing cloth is made of high quality cotton integrated with silver cleaner and anti-tarnish agent. So it should keep your things from tarnishing, which is really cool. I didn't know that. And it says that the polishing cloth remains effective as long as it's not washed. I wonder if they all do that. I don't know, but that's really cool that that they have a cleaning agent in there. And then so here's the name again, Louily, and this is just basically telling you how to care for your jewelry, and the return and exchange policy. They do have a 30-day return and exchange policy as well, which is great. In the event that your item doesn't fit or something is wrong with it, you can return and exchange it, and that's great. I think that that's always great. It says, "Hi friend, thank you for your purchase. We are major in produce amazing, enjoyable, custom fine jewelry experience which satisfy usual people with affordable price." Y'all know that they're in another country, right? So English is not the first language, which is why this is a little bit broken. So yeah, so I didn't read it all because I started getting confusing. But great packaging. I love that they, you know, send you instructions on how to care for your jewelry so that if something goes wrong, you know, like, they gave you all the tools to keep it in great shape. So it does come in this little sleeve. And then, you guys, I love a soft matte black packaging. This is what it looks like. Love that. Love the silver foiling on the front of it. Love that. Love that the dot of the I is a little diamond, and then the O in Louily is an actual ring. That is stunning. This packaging is super cute. I like it a lot. So this is a different kind of piece. So I got earrings in my last haul, but I also got earrings today, but these are different. So here is the inside of my packaging. Y'all, get into this earring. Get into this earring. Isn't that fabulous? And I love the back on it. There is no back. It's a little clamp that keeps it on your ear, and I think that is amazing. I don't know about y'all, but I always lose my backs, and I don't know why. Like, I just don't know what's so hard about a back staying on your ear, but okay. So I love that it has that. I'm gonna try this on so you guys can see what they look like. Hopefully this will help my earring to stay on. I don't know. I've not had a back like this on this size of an earring before, so that's I'm a little nervous because I don't know if that's going to be a good thing or a bad thing. But here is the earring. Doesn't it go amazingly with my necklace? Like, isn't that beautiful? So pretty. And these are some real, like, you could just throw these on to go. I think that these I could get away with wearing in a more casual setting than, you know, my necklace and my rings and stuff, because it's not, I mean, this is a normal thing. I feel like a hoop, like a is this white sapphires or moissanite? I think these may be moissanites, which I love both. Moissanites seem to shine a little bit brighter sometimes, but I love them both. I think that they're both great alternatives, especially if you are anti-diamond for reasons that, you know, are personal, economical, social. I understand. So these are great alternatives to authentic diamonds because of that reason. But get into them. I think they're great. So of course I'll have all the information of course I'll have all the information on these beautiful earrings listed down below. I'll have them down below. I'll also have a discount code down for you as well so that you can check these out if you're interested. I really like them. I don't foresee, yeah, so I'm pulling at it just to see if like it's easy to get that back to unhatch, and it's not. Like, they're not easily coming off, so that's great because I was really concerned about that, because it just doesn't, and you know, it's different and it's ideal because you don't have to keep up with two pieces, but I just don't know how practical it is. But it seems like it's working great, so that's good. I like them a lot. Be sure and let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And yeah, real pretty, real pretty. Make sure you're washing your hands, social distancing, wearing your masks if possible. Please keep me in your prayers. I'll keep you in mind. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.